Hello and welcome to Republic's tutorial on our new online storefront, also known as our e-commerce site. To start, we're going to plug in our URL, store.republico.com. When you arrive at the landing page for our store, we ask that all users sign in or create an account. Please enter the email that you have a pre-existing storefront with or the one that you would like to create your storefront with. At this time, if you have a pre-existing account, you will check your email to receive the verification code needed for access. If not, you will take a 1 to 2 minute questionnaire, which will allow Republic to get you the tools you need to set up to have an online storefront. This process can take 1 to 2 days. Once you receive your code, please enter. Now that you've reached your personalized storefront landing page, we will take you through the various features on the homepage. As you can see, we have our featured items list, which includes an item description, the quantity in stock per location, the price per each item, an option to increase or decrease the quantity requested, and a quick add to cart button. Below that, you will find our brand showrooms. These showrooms allow you to look up products by vendor. You will also see your top products, which are products that you most frequently order. Below that, you will find a Republic video talking about your partner for success. And finally, we will have a miniature version of our Trade Talk featured at the bottom. Trade Talk can be found in a bigger version on the left-hand navigation panel. When clicking into Trade Talk, you see that it is a series of social posts from both vendors and Republic as a distributor to inform our dealers about various opportunities, including trainings, discounts, and just fun, sweet things. Returning to the homepage, I'll take you through how to place an order using the Republic e-commerce site. If your item isn't featured in one of our many featured products, please use the search bar. At the search bar, you'll put in the designated item that you were trying to find. In this case, we're going to be looking up a TM9Y furnace. If you're looking for the Luxair brand, it will appear, and you will click into it to learn more about this item. Here you will find the various model numbers, the description about the item, compatible coils for this furnace, frequently bought together items, and a product install manual in addition to a tech guide. When you've thoroughly researched your item and you've chosen the model that you prefer, please ensure that your location has it in stock. At your location, hit Add to Cart. Following collecting all of the items, you can return to your cart and they will appear there. At this point, you'll want to ensure that the account is correct, your shipping method is what you'd prefer, delivery or pickup, your shipping address, if applicable, is correct, your shipping method is correct, and your request date is correct. Request date refers to the day you would like the materials to arrive. In addition, please enter a PO number and any specific notes pertaining to the product you are ordering. Finally, please review your item's total price and your order total price and submit order. Republic will handle the rest. If you're interested in seeing a collection of your previous orders, please select the Order tab on the left-hand navigation bar. Here you'll find all of your previous orders. Returning to our homepage, we can see that we have more features in our left-hand navigation bar, such as our Locations option, which allows you to shop at multiple storefronts rather than just one. In addition, you can see locations on a map featured on our Locations tab. Finally, our feature of Your List. This allows you to create your own company list based on the categories you need to fulfill or that you frequently shop. So if you have a residential product list or a mechanical product list or an electrical product list, it is recommended to make your shopping experience more efficient to create a list of those frequently purchased products. For more information regarding the Republic storefront, please contact your TM or reach out to us personally at your Republic store.